Hello, and thank you for downloading the CONFR app. You have made an excellent decision. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the app so that you can get the maximum benefit out of it. We are sure the app will save you a ton of time and money. So let's go ahead and click the sign up link at the bottom. Please use your name, email, and password you would like to log in with. We will use this email to send you a verification code. So use an email that you have access to right away. And don't worry, we don't share or spam your email. The app asks you to choose a role here. This is the role you play in the organization, and in the future, it will help us provide you with additional features and benefits based on your role. Then in the next step, let's set up the preferences. The app uses these preferences to recommend the conferences that meet your criteria. So we want to choose them carefully. You can change these preferences through the settings in the app later if your needs change. You can select single or multiple options based on your interests. In the objectives, you can choose what you are looking to gain from the app. It could be learning, marketing, or networking, or all. Similarly, in the industry, you can choose multiple industries or single sub-industry as per your preference. Same goes for subject. In the location, you can add multiple locations. These are based on metro areas. However, since most of the conferences are virtual these days, we will use just the USA as the location. Let's save. In the conferences events of interest section, you can add events that are not listed in the app and you would like to attend. This will get to us and we will add them for your convenience. You can also do this anytime in this app later, as this will be available in the settings section. Let's go to the next step and set up certain notifications so that the app can notify you of the conferences that you like or you are going to attend. For now, I will just use 1 week as the advanced notification period. Then select the next step. The app will email you a verification code. Enter it here. I have my verification code. It's 18704. Enter it here and hit finish. And voila, as you can see, the setup is really simple and easy to do. These 2 minutes are going to save you hours of search and tons of money. The conferences that are shortlisted for you based on your preferences that you just entered are listed in the recommended section. In the next video, I will walk you through the different features of the app and how it will save you money. Don't forget to share the app with your friends and colleagues. The more users we have, the better savings and features we'll be able to offer. We welcome your feedback. So don't be shy and give us your feedback. Thank you and see you in the next video.